Hi guys, I am unboxing my Native American seed order today. This company has been in business since about the 80s. They provide native grass and wildflower seeds, and I'm really excited about this order. So let's get started. Just invoice. So I have actually ordered their native sun turf packet, and this little packet, oh goodness. So that's part of my the biggest part of my order, and this is the second part of my order, which honestly is pretty funny. um, so this is 5 pounds of the native sun turf, and this is hopefully uh, my antelope horns packet and my shade friendly wildflower mix. So let's see this. I actually do like their packaging. It's very minimal. And look at that. Those, they buy boxes to fit those 5 pound. I'm having to use popcorn. Nice little brown bag. There you like. There you are. And oh, wonderful. So the Native American Seed Company has this packet of the antelope horns, which is actually one of the native milkweeds for Texas, which is better, in my opinion, to buy than the tropical. There's been some, they're doing some research now in regards to which milkweed is better. You have to remember that the monarch butterfly has a specific life cycle that they do. Most of the time, when they come to Texas, they're just traveling through. They're not breeding here. They're just trying to get back up north and south. The Marnak lives about 3 to 4 generations in its migration. So Texas is really not the breeding ground for Marnarks. So yeah, I believe using the natives will probably be a better thing. So I'm planning on using this antelope horn both at home and at the herb garden that I volunteer at. And I'm also planning on using this seed, which is the shade-friendly wildflower mix, um, at home because I have some shaded areas, and at the Fort Worth log cabin herb garden that the Herb Society takes care of. So we have a lot of good information. Always remember to read the back of the envelopes. It tells you how to prepare your soil, decide when to do it, how much water, um, what location, and I think it's just a very nicely set up. As you also see the flowers that are here in the packet. And in part two of my unboxing, I will be reviewing the catalog, which has pictures of the flowers in this packet, which is the purple cornflower, the lace leaf golden wave cut leaf daisy, black eye Susan pitcher sage, frostweed and such. Shade-friendly wildflower mix turns neglected shady areas bright and lively year-round. Touch the earth and quietly listen. 150 years only native plants grew here. Though many changes have occurred, they would love to come back home. Native American Seed, Junction, Texas. Become native to your place. Play an active role in the experience of life. So I believe that's a Coropsis of some kind. That might be the perennial wine cup. And it looks like there's a, that might be, I don't think that's, maybe the pigeonberry, not the frostweed. There should be frostweed somewhere in there. I don't really see it. Let's see. What else do we have here? Well, there's quite a bit of Coropsis. That looks like the scarlet sage. You know, a little fuzzy. But like I said, once we look at the catalog, we'll be able to get a better picture. That looks like another wine cup right there. So let's look at the turf seed. I'm so excited. So if we look at the breakdown, this is buffalo grass, 80% by weight, 90% germination, and 1% dormant. Blue gamma is 20% by weight, 86% germination, and 5% is dormant. So when we look at the purity of the overall mix, it's 93% 0.4. Pure inert has about 6.2, and it's got 0.06 of other. Germination is about 94% total. Dormancy is about 1.8. So it also says the seed is preconditioned in a controlled environment. The package is airtight, ceramic sealed, ensures superior quality and freshness. So it was more cost effective for me to buy the 5-pound bag, since this is for about 1,500 square feet. I really needed about 800 square feet, but I've got a few people that I want to share this with to see how it does in their areas. The 5 pounds cost me $79, and the packets were $3 each. And I think it's a good time to review the catalog and look up the items that we bought, or I bought. So as you can tell, the typical use in a city is 70% landscape and 30% in-house. The 70% is a lot of water to be spending outside. So on page 57 is where we'll find information about the thunder turf, which is the native grasses that we bought. So let's go check that out. It's actually a really nice catalog. There's a lot of information in here. I really enjoyed it. You have prices, you have different pictures of how it will look in place once the seed sprouts and is grown. So you can tell that picture says 51 days. So in less than 2 months, that's the kind of turf that you can have with native seed. Isn't that pretty? And then there's more pictures over here. We also have the pricing. It's like Intel, it's $20 for a 6.6 ounce bag. Well, actually that's just the thunder turf, but it's 7.1 ounces for 150 square feet of the native sun turf that I bought. Like I said, this catalog is full of information, and even has a blurb of where to find information to get rid of Bermuda grass or St. Augustine, which St. Augustine is easier to convert into this native sod, say native turf, and Bermuda is going to take more time, as we can all tell, because of the rhizomes, and it's very persistent. But we can do it. These people down here in the pictures have done it, and their lawn looks pretty decent. And it's less maintenance, there's less disease, you don't have to water it as much, and I think that's all good points for a lawn. So this is my order. I started off small since the seed was somewhat expensive. It is $80 for a 5 pound bag, but that is supposed to cover about 1,500 square feet, which I'm trying it in a small little area first. Well, it's about 400 square feet, maybe another 800 square feet, and the rest I'm going to distribute among family and friends. I have a couple people that I want to try this with, and we'll just see how it goes. Okay. So the second part of this unboxing will be a catalog review. So be on the lookout for that video, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day gardening. Goodbye.